How to delete private browsing history on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots. Then, tap on All tabs. You can view all your open tabs over here. Here, tap on the Private section at the bottom. Private browsing adds additional privacy protections for tabs. Here, close the tab as shown. After you close a tab, Safari won't remember the pages you visited, your search history or your autofill information. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily delete private browsing history on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.